You guys, this is what my cat and my sister are watching. Literally, and he's literally attracted to it. Like, look at my cat. Now I'm gonna change it. Watch. Look, he's so annoyed. Watch. Change it. Good sounds. Like, and my sister is literally so distracted in it too. Hold on. I'm gonna turn on birds. He literally hunts bird, and if he jumps at the TV, I'm literally gonna be so mad. Alright. For 10 minutes, look how he is going to react. Are you serious right now, bro? Wait, hold on. This guy is serious. Oh my god, guys. If you want more, subscribe.